Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about the new television which has been recently introduced by the Infinix, and it has been released on today's date, 14th of December 2020. And you can see guys, it's so much slim television I have ever seen, and you will get to see all the features which is available on this television. And it's based on Android, and it has 8 GB storage on it, and it has got 1 GB RAM on it. The television model will be Infinix X1, and it has so many features available, so you will get to know each and everything here. This television has a eye care mode. You can see guys, it's really amazing videos coming on this television. I can strongly recommend you guys to buy this television because in this television has HDR10. It will give you the amazing video performance, and there's a 2 variant on this television. It's coming 32 inches, and as well as it's coming 43 inches. So the 32 inches which would be coming as HD ready, not the full HD, but the 43 inches television would be full HD, because they are not introducing any 4K television at this present time. And in future, if there is any update, we will let you know about that. Yes, you can see all of the details, the picture qualities and everything. It's amazing, and it has 20-watt speaker, and it supports the Dolby sound, and it has got a MediaTek, the latest processor on it for the television. This is the best television on a budget, and it's really thin. It's 4.9 millimeter. For 32 inches television will cost you around 12,000 rupees. The colors and everything, it will be awesome on this television, and it will be sold by the Flipkart from 18th of December. Whoever wanna purchase this, you can visit the Flipkart. If you guys like this video, please press the like button and also subscribe into my channel, because I really update the short videos in my channel. So press the subscribe and hit the bell button as well. Thank you for watching this video.